This is a SUPERSCHNELL introduction to nouns in German. So when you learn nouns, a common question associated with nouns is how do you say the word the in German, the article that goes before a noun. We call the word the an article in grammar. So how do you say the in German? What's the article for nouns in German? Well, das hängt davon ab, I would say. That depends, because there are three. So we have der, das, and die. Der, das, and die. Now, der is referred to as the masculine article, and when I say masculine, we're just talking about grammatical gender. It's just a designation. Die is the feminine article. Again, we call this just grammatical gender. And das is a neutral article. And again, just a grammatical designation. Okay, so either der, das, or die. And the bottom line is you just have to learn the der, das, or die with nouns. There's no other way around it. So one thing that does occur is if we're talking about human beings, the biological gender and the grammatical gender will agree for masculine and feminine. If we're talking about things, objects, concepts, ideas, the der, das, or die just must be memorized with the noun. There's really no rhyme or reason to it. It's just either der, das, or die. And it's really important to memorize from the very beginning when you're first starting out in German. Learn these articles. You'll see why later on down the road. You have to know articles of nouns to be able to do other things grammatically. So be sure that you put extra effort into learning the articles with nouns. Okay, so let's look at some examples, just three very basic examples. The word the man in German is der Mann. The man, der Mann. The man, der Mann. The man, der Mann. Notice it's the masculine, grammatically masculine article, which agrees with the biological gender of man. We have der Mann. The woman. Can you guess what the article is going to be? The biological gender and the grammatical gender will agree with this one. Die Frau. The woman. Die Frau. The woman. Die Frau. The woman. Die Frau. And for the child, das Kind. Das Kind. Notice the pronunciation of the D. Kind. Kind. Das Kind. The child. Das Kind. The child. Das Kind. Okay, so we have our three nouns. We have the man. Let's review and apply. The man, der Mann. The woman, do you remember? Die Frau. The child. Das Kind. Now, we've learned the verb sein in previous lessons. So you could say the man is, der Mann ist, the woman is, die Frau ist, the child is, das Kind ist. And we learned some basic adjectives like nice, nett, friendly, freundlich, brave, mutig, funny, komisch. So now you can put all of these elements together and start creating some sentences. For example, if I want to say the man is nice, I would say der Mann ist nett. The man is friendly, der Mann ist freundlich. The man is brave, der Mann ist mutig. The man is funny, der Mann ist komisch. The woman is nice, die Frau ist nett. The woman is friendly, die Frau ist freundlich. The woman is brave, die Frau ist mutig. The woman is funny, die Frau ist komisch. And finally, the child. So, the child is nice. Das Kind ist nett. The child is friendly. Das Kind ist freundlich. The child is brave. Das Kind ist mutig. The child is funny. Das Kind ist komisch. All right, well, that's it for this lesson. To continue learning, click on the video that appears here on your screen to go to the next lesson. See you soon. Bis bald.